The very first method is to check if the game needs any kind of update. So for that, go to Google Play Store. In the search option, search for the game Warframe, and here you should check if there is any update available. If yes, update your game to the latest version, and after that try to launch the game and check. If the game is not opening, you are suggested to force stop the app once again. So for that, click and hold the game icon. Now click on app info. After that, click on force stop and then click on OK. After that, try to open the game and check. If not, you are suggested to clear the cache of the game. For that, click on storage and cache. Now click on clear cache. Once you have done this, now try to launch the game and check. If not, you are suggested to check your internet connection is stable or not. If there is any fluctuations on internet connection, you are suggested to move to mobile data if you are using Wi-Fi, or do vice versa, and then check if the game is opening or not. If not, then you are suggested to install a VPN app. For that, go to Google Play Store. In the search option, you are suggested to search for VPN, and you will get many VPN apps available. Install any one of it, and after installing it, and log into it and change the location, and after that try to log into the game and then check if Warframe game is working or not. If not, you are suggested to check if your phone OS needs any kind of update. For that, go to settings, and after that go below, click on system update. This may vary from phone to phone. Now here you will get if any update is available. If yes, update your phone OS to the latest version, and after that try to launch the game and check. If not, you are also suggested to check if there is enough storage space or not. For that, go to settings, and after going to settings, here you have to click on RAM and storage, and here you will find if there is any less storage space or so. If yes, delete some unused apps or games or data, and after that try to launch the game and check if the game is launching now or not. But if the issue continues, then you are suggested to reinstall the game once. For that, click and hold the game icon. Now click on delete icon and then click on uninstall. So this will completely remove the game from your phone. After that, restart your phone once. Once your phone restarts, again go to Google Play Store, and in the search option, search for the game, that is Warframe, and now click on the install button, and then finally check if the game is opening or not. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.